way back from the rain and the storm, and I will form a picture.
Open your Instagram account. Now go to the search box and search for YouCanDraw 02. You can follow me on Instagram if you like my drawings. Now click on the message option. Select the drawing that you want to send me from your gallery. Don't forget to write your name. Open your Gmail account. Go to the Compose option. Now write my Gmail ID in the To option. Click on it to attach your drawing. Select your drawing and send it to me.
Keeping track of what